Hi children, today we are discussed the next topic. Just once revise our previous topics. Those are, we discussed in the previous topics about place value system, Indian place value system and international place value system, numeration and notation, predecessor and successor, expansion form and standard form. In that, we have a relation between international and Indian systems. Indian and international system. Here 1. It can be written like this also, that is 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0, the value of this also 1. 10. We can write like this also, that is 10 power of 1. 100. This is equals to 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. 10 times are 100. We can get the value. 1000. That is 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 times are 100. 100 times are 1000. 10,000. 10 to the power of 4. Like this. Up to this, both are same in Indian and international systems. After this, in Indian system, after 10,000 we can get 1 lakh, then 10 lakhs, then crore, after that 10 crores. In international system, after 10,000 we have 100,000 and 1 million, 10 millions and 100 millions. For example, 1 lakh, 10 power of 5. In international system, 100,000. 10 lakhs. 10 power of 6. In international system, 1 million. 1 crore. 10 power of 7. In international system, 10 millions. In Indian system, after 1 crore, we have 10 crores. That is 10 power of 8. Here, 100 millions. So, 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. 10 millions is equals to 1 crore. 100 millions is equals to 10 crores. In the same way, 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. In the examination, he asked like this, the value of 1 million. What is the value of 1 million? What is that? The value of 1 million is 10 lakhs or 10 to the power of 6. In the same way, the value of 10 millions is 1 crore. 100 millions is equals to 10 crores. Up to 10,000, both are same in Indian and international systems. After 10,000, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. Please note down this. Okay children, we finished our first chapter. Now let's do some problems. Open in your textbook the page number 8. Open the page number 8. I am explaining first bit. Write the numerals for the following names. In the first bit, write the numerals for the following numbers. In this first bit, we have 5 questions. I am explaining first problem. 3,40,000 207. Write the numerals for the following number names. Here, this number can be written in word form. I am doing this number, this can be converted into numerals form. 3,40,207. 3,40,207. 207. The numeral form of this number is 3,40,207. In the same way, we have remaining 4 problems. Please do that 4 problems as your homework.